everyone, I welcome you all to focus of the day session of Analyst IAS. In this particular session, we will discuss about Nobel Prize winner in Physiology and Medicine 2022, that is Svante Paabo. We will discuss this particular news in the following sequence. First, why it is the news, followed by about Svante Paabo, followed by prelims practice question, followed by mains practice question. But before we start our discussion, I want you all to be informed about public administration, polity and IR and ethics classes of Analyst IAS, which is already started from 26th of September. And along with all these classes, we are also holding classes for current affairs. So you can also inquire about any of the following courses on the given number, and you can visit our official address, that is in Old Rajinder Nagar Market. So now let's move on toward our topic of discussion about Svante Paabo and see why it is in news. Swedish scientist Svante Paabo has been awarded the Nobel Prize for Physiology for the year 2022 for his discoveries concerning the genomes of extinct hominins and human evolution. Incidentally, his father, Sune K Bergstrom, is also the winner of the Nobel Prize in Physiology in 1982. Making them only the sixth father-son pair to have won a Nobel each. So this brings Svante Paabo and his discovery into news. Now we will discuss who is Svante Paabo. He is a Swedish geneticist born in April 20, 1955. He has a specialization in the field of evolutionary genetics, and he has also worked extensively on the Neanderthal genome and is one of the founder of paleogenetics. He has been appointed as the director of the Department of Genetics at Max Planck Institute for Evolutionary Anthropology in Germany in 1997. And he is also a professor at Okinawa Institute of Science and Technology, Japan. He founded the relationship between modern human and Neanderthals. He also discovered the existence of an unknown subspecies of human family, now called Denisovians, who lived around the same time as that of the Neanderthals. His research showed that ancestor of modern human, Neanderthal and Denisovans coexisted for about 20,000 years, during which they not only interacted with each other but they also interbred. He is credited with developing new and innovative methodologies to extract clean DNA from the human fossils 10 of the 1,000 of years old and reading their particular genetic information contained in that particular DNA. Now we will discuss about the significance of his discovery. He replaced the indirect evidence in the genetic studies of archaeological remains with direct observational evidences, as earlier we used to use indirect evidence to study about the genetic study of a particular archaeological remain. He realized that one particular skull bone called petrous preserves DNA better than the rest of the body. He established the genetic evolution of human being, which can have important implication for medical science, as we can know about our past and about our old family members like Neanderthals, and from which we evolved. So this was about Svante Paabo and his discovery. Now let's move on to our prelims practice question, which says the word Denisovan is sometimes mentioned in media in reference to A. Fossil of a kind of dinosaur, B. An early human species, C. A cave system found in northeast India, D. A geological period in the history of Indian subcontinent. So you can answer this question easily. Write your answer in comment box. And this is a UPSC previous year question. So this makes this particular topic very important from prelims perspective. Now let's discuss yesterday's question. As a part of Make in India program, light combat helicopter production was started in which of the following places in India? A. Gurugram, B. Vizag, C. Cochin, D. Bengaluru. So the right answer for this particular question is Bengaluru. Now we will discuss our mains practice question, which says what is genome sequencing and what are its benefits. Also enumerate the steps taken by India in this direction. You have to answer this particular question in 250 words and send us your answer to get it reviewed. So this is all for today. Stay tuned and stay updated with Analyst IAS. Thank you.